Hey there, everybody. It's me again. Um, I wanted to talk through one thing really quickly that came across my desk here. I just got permission to all of the documents and PDFs and all that fun stuff that I need. So we'll be done here very soon. I'm really looking forward to chatting with or meeting you guys tomorrow. Um, I want to talk about a unique situation here. And this is a quick fix on my end, but it's how I want you guys to start thinking about how you're going to do this in the longer term. If you ever wake up one day and say, hey, Mike Falco's not the guy for us. We don't want to work with him. Okay, that's fine. I still would like to give you guys some good value here. So let's talk about what we set up earlier this week. We set up a play that said anybody that replies from Expo V1 only, please be added into this follow-up sequence that we created, right? That sequence you could see here, post reply, and you could see one person active. Let's check out who that is. This is John Jench. Maybe. Let's check out John, right? Now, take a step back with me here. Conceptually, this sequence is for people that replied, but we don't have meetings with yet, so we're going to chase them down, right? What happens if they do book a meeting? Then we don't want to reach out to them, right? So what I'm going to show you here is how we kind of work through that logically and how to avoid the technical debt of plays within Apollo, okay? So I could see here pretty easily, hey, John, thanks for your note. Yes, we could certainly help you. That's a reply, right? But this is a reply from 2 days ago. Could be something there. Mike's a good salesperson. He got him in the door. And I saw here we have a meeting on the calendar with him, right? So guys, we don't want him in this sequence, right? Because we already have this reply, right? And we are not chasing down any longer. So the first thing I'm going to look at here is how's your guys set up on this side? So the contact stage is interested, right? And that's really what I was looking to see and why I'm glad that you guys are pretty good at this. But what our play as of right now does not account for is anything outside of a reply equals add, right? So I'm going to show you guys just really quickly, how do we exclude the people that are interested in replied from the sequence that's meant for individuals that reply but are either on the fence or not interested, right? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to come to plays. We're going to go to there. We're going to see here, and let me just reset this because I already did it, but I realized everybody loves videos. We're going to come in here and we're going to say, and the way I like to do this is just going through it one by one. And is that the quickest way to do it? No, but this is important stuff. So when a user replies only from Expo V1, right? Add that person to this play every time, right? Only issue here is we are not currently excluding the individuals that replied but are already interested in, right? So we're going to come down here. We're going to go to email meeting set. We are going to say if that is not true, we are then going to add that person into the sequence, and then we can go ahead and hit saved. Quick piece of information for you guys. This is not going to be a retroactive process here. So as you make changes to these plays and as you notice like, hey, we missed this one use case or hey, we missed this outlier, right? You will have to come back in here and I'm going to take the liberty of removing John from the sequence. Now he's gone, and anybody that replies that has a status of interested moving forward will not be included in this sequence. Now, there's also an issue here of timing, right? So the timing here is a piece that I'll cover in my next video because I don't like making these way too long. But basically, I'm going to say when somebody replies and is not interested, add them to the sequence an hour after they reply. Same thing for the interested people. But at that time, they'll hit this rule here and not be added. Okay? So just quick little nerd nugget on my end, and off we go.